may be seated. Thank you very much. Mr. Summerfield? We're here on case number 12 CR 0479, State of Ohio versus Nathan Summerfield. Let the record reflect, actually not State of Ohio versus Nathan Summerfield, but in re extradition hearing for Nathan or of Nathan Summerfield. Let the record reflect the State of Ohio is in court represented by Assistant County Prosecutor Matt Razavi, and I believe Mr. Lee Winchell is now appearing as attorney of record for Mr. Summerfield. Is that correct, Mr. Winchell? Yes. And Mr. Summerfield, you are here today because you have a right to have an extradition hearing under Ohio law. The purpose of the hearing is not to establish whether or not you're guilty or innocent of any crime that you've been charged with in North Carolina, but rather to establish whether or not the state of Ohio has followed the correct procedures in if they issue an extradition warrant. Also, you have a right to file a writ for habeas corpus, which is a writ asking this court to hold a hearing as to why you're being held. You can waive this affidavit for you can waive this extradition proceeding. Mr. Winchell, does your client wish to waive?
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
Okay. Deputy Mahmood here. Raise your right hand. Deputy Mahmood, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you have reasonable cause to believe that Nathan Summerfield is charged in the state of North Carolina with the commission of the crime of murder and is fled from justice or has been convicted of a crime in the state of North Carolina or has escaped from confinement or has broken the terms of bail, probation, or parole? In this case, it'd be he's charged. Is that correct? Yes, okay. Mr. Deputy Mahmood, you would sign this, or have it, actually, Mr. Razavi. Thank you. Mr. Summerfield, you understand that if you waive hearing you will be returned to the state of North Carolina. Do you understand that? Okay. Has anybody made any threats or promises to get you to waive this hearing? Okay. Have you had an adequate opportunity to talk with counsel? And are you satisfied with his, I'm not telling you what, I'm not asking you what he told you, but are you satisfied with his advice and the time you've had to talk to him? Okay. Mr. Winchell, would you have your client sign here where it says Nathan Summerfield, and also, and I'll sign off. Yeah, that'd be fine. And also signs the witness. Thank you, Mr. Winchell. Okay, anything further from the state of Ohio regarding extradition? No. Anything further from defense counsel?
No, thank you.
All right, court will sign the order ordering him to be extradited and go from there. Thank you. Of course, a recess.